Uloma, where have you been? You're not sleeping. You see that leg where they waka anyhow. Now I where they see anyhow, go still see am. Oh my God. Oh my God. I slept off. You should have woken me.
Me too, I slept off now.
Oh God.
Don't break.
Oh.
Sorry. Not my fault. I forwake you.
You would have woken me up.
Now you did fire me.
What was that?
Sorry. You're waking my bones. Princess, just Etiko.
Like him. I honestly do.
She came to take over the balance. She's on a mission. She has interior motives. She's not what you thought she is. She's unfriendly friend. She's clothed with many colors. Many colors. What unfriendly friend? A wolf in sheep clothing. This is not right at all. This is unfair. This is not right at all. This is unfair. You think you're smart in all you do. This is inhuman. It's not good at all. This has fallen apart. No more rules and respect. Royal blood has mixed with common.
Majesty,
greetings.
My
daughter-in-law. How are you?
I'm fine.
How's your dad?
He's fine.
Oh, good. Good to have you.
Welcome, my dear. Thank you. We missed you.
Me too!
Desmond. Yes, I think he's around. Desmond? Desmond! Oh, look at him there.
Came?
Yes! Are you too happy to see me?
Sure, I'm happy to see you.
I missed everybody. I missed the royal house. I'm so happy to be with you guys again.
We miss you too.
Take her to her room.
Yes, baby.
Right,
go.
I
missed you so.
My king, I love this girl so much.
Oh, we do?
Yes. Hey, that reminds me.
What?
Rose, my friend.
What about her?
She will be coming to stay with us for a while.
What for? No, I mean, why is she coming here to stay with us?
She's my best friend, right?
I know.
And she used to come and stay with us in the palace and then go back. Have you forgotten?
No, I've not. I've not.
Or do you have any... Are you not good with the plan?
No. I'm fine with it. I'm okay.
It's all right. Let's go and join.
Let's go.
Babe, you said next week. Why today? What happened?
Come on, baby. I couldn't wait anymore. Don't tell me you didn't miss me.
I do. Babe, I do. But we never talked about you coming this week. You should have informed me of your change of plan. That's all.
Yes. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, baby. You know, I really missed you. I missed you so much. I couldn't wait any longer. I just had to come. Besides, I'm your girlfriend, your fiancé. I should come whenever I want and however I choose to. You know what? I'm here to stay for a very long time.
Wait. Are you serious? Like, are you being serious? For real?
Of course I'm for real. What about your sisters? Where are they?
They should be in their room.
How can they be in their room when I'm here? I'm going to meet them right away.
Dang! Shit.
Shall we toast
Sure.
to life,
Happiness,
to love?
success.
You like cookies?
Yes.
I made these.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tastes good.
Another bite. Wait. See. Good? Huh? Wait. That's more. There you go.
My princess. My princess.
I actually I came to ask when lunch will be ready. We are hungry.
I'll be in the kitchen shortly, okay?
Excuse me.
My princess, I have to go back to the kitchen now. My princess, I have to make lunch now.
You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, 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 oh my dear. You think you're smart in all you do. This is inhuman. It's not good at all. This has fallen apart. No more rules and respect. Royal blood has mixed with commoners' blood. What is happening? This is strange. Ooh. Everybody is a game player. Everybody is a game player. This is not right at all. This is unfair. This is not right. This is unfair. She came to take over the palace.
I should walk up to him. I should walk up to him, mother. I shall tell him his sin straight to his face. I shall take his message to him. A message of grief and pains from my heart. A man who denies his offspring just to cover his name is not worthy to be called a man. A coward he is. Cowardice have no place with a king. I should walk up straight to him right away, mother.
Not so fast, my daughter. Remember, we have a mission here in this palace. Do not forget that the king has not met you yet. And he has refused to accept that you exist. You cannot show your face to the king, not now. If you do, you will become a threat. Like I said, do not allow our emotions to blackmail our intelligence. Gradually, we will take that which rightfully belongs to us. I said gradually, I mean you and I, will take that which rightfully belongs to us.
Can you stop pestering me around and go back to your room?
Don't tell me you are frolicking with the kitchen girl. You smell ingredients.
That is because I went to the kitchen to get something. Wait. Is that how you think low of me? Kitchen girls? Really? This is why I don't like you coming around, because you are being too nosy.
But I'm just trying to protect my man. I'm not being nosy here.
Protect your man from the kitchen girls? Huh? Is that how you condescend me? Oh my God, I just feel insulted. You just insulted me. Kitchen girls that have not washed their panties, they've not cleaned up, that are still smelling. Damn, you just insulted me. You just insulted me. That's the height of it.
Baby, see, I'm sorry. You know, I've missed you so much. I'm just scared. I don't want those girls to take my man away from me.
Listen, the one who's going to take me away from you, right?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You just have to stop pestering me. Okay? Stop monitoring me. You've got everything. You got big boobs. Got big bobs. Tell me, am I that greedy? Come on.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm not greedy, babe. You've got everything. I love you. It's okay. Nobody's gonna take me away from you. Okay?
Okay.
Have you noticed that the king doesn't allow his children to go out? So you're talking as if you're a baby. Eh? Are you not aware of the security situation of this country? Or you want them to kidnap his children?
So other people are good to be kidnapped?
Don't me talk that one, no. Let your name beg you. Eh. Don't me talk that one.
It's okay. Mind your business.
Before uncle.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. Can you at least ask me to sit down? Thank you. So, Ekene, how about your parents?
I went out. But I still don't understand your visit.
See, Ekene, I'm sorry I lied to your parents that you asked me out and I refused. I'm sorry.
We have settled the matter and that one is past tense. So I don't understand. I don't understand why you're here.
Ekene, I want us to be friends. Let me not lie to you. I've missed your presence around. I don't like it that you see me along the way and you will not talk to me. It hurts me. See, let's stop fighting each other. Let's stop fighting and be friends again. If I let me help you to wash. Go and get water. This will not be enough. Go and get water now. Go and get water.
What is it? You called me out.
What's happening? I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I thought we had an agreement.
What agreement are you talking about? You taking me to the club?
Yes, of course.
Well, I changed my mind. You have a problem with that?
But why?
What you mean, but why? I own myself. I can decide whatever I want to do. I changed my mind because I don't want to go again. Why on earth are you adding strings to it? Why? Why are you attaching it? Are we dating? Are you my boyfriend? Are you?
No.
Don't ever call me again. Stop sending me text messages. Stop sending me DMs. Listen, if you ever do that again, I'm going to show you to my brother. I'll show him all the love jargons you've been sending to my phone. And you know what it's going to do to you if he sees that. Leave me the hell alone. Do you understand that? Copied? Rubbish.
This is kid catching this from you. Wait.
Sex, the greatest tool of destruction. It's going to be our gateway to reclaim what is ours.
You're confusing me, Mother. Why sex?
What you don't know is bigger than you, my daughter. Igwe Modu is an oracle by virtue of the seat he occupies as the ruler of this great kingdom. As such, no man born of a woman can destroy him, except he is contaminated.
You're still confusing me, Mother.
We get your father to listen to us only when he's being manipulated. This can only be possible when his surrounding is being contaminated with immoralities under his very watch. It's not going to be an easy task, my daughter. Here. Use the content to take your bath. It will prepare you for the battle ahead. As soon as you do so, you become fortified. The inhibus power lives in you. The power to become invisible at the sight of danger.
For example, you hear something like, how far?
I don't get it.
Just say, how far?
How far?
How far, you mean, I they go. Like, if you won't know the situation of things, how things they be.
Okay.
So you will just say, how far? So
Okay.
talk am, how far?
How far?
So the na where they did the how far, now they make them strong.
Oh.
Like, you won't really know. You go say, how far na?
How far now?
What did they happen?
What's happening?
No, what did they happen?
Waiting to happen.
Okay. You understand now? You
Yeah.
but how far mean many things, no? So if you say, how far now, what did they happen? How far now, where the food?
Oh.
How far now, I they come?
Oh.
How far I they by your room?
Really?
How far put your clothes? How far make a bowling? You understand? Like, you won't enter. Say, how far make I enter now?
Hold on. I mean, that means how far is really ambiguous then?
Yeah, yes, it's waiting.
Quite ambiguous. How far?
Shouldn't be ambiguous again for
I mean, it's got a lot of meanings.
Okay.
It can be defined so many ways.
Okay, that might be ambiguous.
Yeah.
That means how far really they ambiguous?
Oh,
Even
yeah.
me too, I'm ambiguous then. If you listen now.
Oh, really?
Yes. So words plenty. Then for street language, this one get many meaning.
Okay.
Say mele.
What's that?
Just talk and follow me. Mele.
Mele.
I go day your body.
I go day your body.
Woto.
What?
Woto.
Woro.
All your body.
All your body.
They make mele.
Make mela. What are you saying?
You need to do your man.
Oh, what's that?
Then,
What's that?
no, if you can get this one right.
No, I can do that.
No, you try it. You're learning.
What's that? Is that a language?
No,
or?
it's a sound, but I don't want to explain further.
Oh.
But if you know, you know.
Okay. You are a clown. What is wrong with you? Go away. I don't understand.
No, I didn't teach you. We'll continue it. But just do your mind.
Oh goodness,
Princess.
You are crazily funny.
You hear rubbish, Taya.
You are.
I'm here because of you.
No, you're not. I'll ask again. Why are you in my room at this time of the night?
I want you.
And I don't want you. I refuse to have you. Please leave.
You don't treat a lady that way.
I'll have to force you out.
Force me and I will scream.
Scream? Is that what you're here for?
Try me.
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, because to buy things for you. Okay, baby, well, if you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You know go fit more. Everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know go fit control. Everything where they happen under your nose. Now from where you see, now there you go know. Now from what you hear, now there you go judge. You know go fit know everything, oh. It's not possible at all, oh. If you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You know go fit know everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know go fit control everything where they happen under your nose.
And I will tell everyone that you're seeing the princess and all the maidens in this palace.
That's very hilarious. Now leave my room. Listen, if you don't leave, I'll personally tell the queen what you're here to do. Do you understand?
Alright. I'll leave.
Good.
But please, can I get a hug?
No! Leave my room.
Just a hug.
I said no, leave my room.
A hug.
I am not going to sleep with a married woman. Do you want...
Just allow me.
Listen, stop. Can I do anything for you, sir? My king. My king, sorry. Let me close the door. Your Majesty, do you want anything? Your Majesty, can I help you to anything? Can I help you with anything, sir? Your Majesty.
No amount of rain can wash off the stripes on a zebra. What exactly is your mission in this palace? Sleep around with every Dick and Harry in this household?
I sense jealousy in someone's voice.
Be careful what you do around, as I throw you out.
Honey, you know you can't do that. Don't you like the way I give it to you? So tell me, do you want it now?
Tell me.
Is a game player. This is not right at all. This is unfair. This is not right at all. This is unfair.
And I ask again, who was that person sneaking around this palace yesterday at night? And what was the motive? I want to know.
My king, I beg, I fit talk something. Because the way everybody can't keep quiet, it can't be like say you just dey talk, nobody they answer you.
My king, what do you really see? You understand? Because the way you describe him now, what do you see? Now, big person with big boobs or big backside. More will know where we go start the search from. If not to go call police, maybe we would be the checker. If not, the one who go use our finger, they feel everything more they feel because I don't really know what you see. And me, another way they give me problem, my king. If you look very well, you don't old. You're not supposed to see well, but for you to still see that night, my king, that one a story for another day. So what do you really see? Let's know what we are really searching. Abi, this one you just look at me. What did they happen? You don't know what you are they talk. We need to
shut your mouth, Silas.
Sorry, my queen. Sorry, my queen. I just make
you were asked to shut up.
Okay, now you be the prince now.
You were asked to shut up, Silas.
No, now you won't come tell me to shut up. I'm not joking. What am I joking? What do you mean?
Amara, you're a suspect. I am suspecting you.
Hey! Get out of this place! Hey, get out! Get out!
Yes, my
king.
Do you think we are here to play?
Okay, king say ma shut up. You say ma who you?
Eh?
I say get out. Stay hold and you get it out.
Hey. For security reasons in the country, everybody must be inside, not outside. Anything you want is inside this palace. You can take your Snapchat, you can swim if you wish. It's for your safety. The king has spoken. For more information, meet Paul and Silas. Anything you need, meet Paul and Silas. For more information, meet Paul and Silas. Anything you need, meet Paul and Silas. If you want to eat food, meet Paul and Silas. If you want to have fun, meet Paul and Silas. If you want to meet Paul and Silas.
Hi, princess.
Are you guilty?
Guilty of what?
Dad said he saw someone sneaking around the palace last night.
It wasn't me. I have no idea who that was. I'm not guilty.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry.
I want you to do me a favor.
What could that be?
I want you to sneak me out of the palace tonight.
Huh? Sneak you out of the palace?
Yes. I want us to go clubbing.
Clubbing?
Mm-hmm. I want to see how brave you are.
How brave I am?
Yes. I want to feel like a woman. I want to be happy. I want adventure.
You want an adventure with me?
Yes. Please don't say no. Let's break that rule tonight.
That rule?
Yeah.
I should break it for you.
Yes, please. I know you can do it.
Huh? I should break the rule.
Yes. For my sake, let's just break the rule.
Princess, I should break your father's rule.
Exactly.
For your sake.
Yes.
Ha.
I know you can do it. I know. Just say yes.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. We're doing it tonight.
Tonight?
Just get ready, okay?
Tonight?
Yes. Tonight, right?
Huh?
Your game. Your game. Oh, your game. We're going out tonight.
Come on, babe. What are you talking about?
I know what I'm talking about. The Majesty said he saw someone sneaking around the palace last night. I also woke up last night and didn't find you. Do you remember? Not until you came back in.
Hey, babe, listen. I've had enough of these trust issues. When are you leaving the palace?
Excuse you?
When are you leaving the palace, I ask?
Oh. Of course you know I'm gonna be here like forever and one.
What?
You heard me. It's a holiday, baby. It's a holiday! It's a holiday! I mean, it's a holiday. I'm going nowhere, baby. I'm going nowhere! It's a holiday!
This is not nice. Come on, baby, this is not nice. A holiday? Oh, damn. No, you shouldn't be here. Come on. Ah. Chef Paul?
My prince.
That girl that left your room, who was she?
Sir? Which girl? Which girl?
I be Chef Paul. Which girl?
Sir, which girl, sir?
You know, you think you're smart.
Sir?
Probably maybe you think you are the most handsome. Yeah, the ladies' man. Yeah, all the ladies' man.
Sir?
But slow, slicky slides like you are dangerous. Oh yeah, very dangerous.
Sir, I'm not dangerous, sir. I'm very kind.
Silas,
My prince.
do you believe his lies?
My prince. I too believe him. As a matter of fact, I believe and die. This one I'm Mugu now. This one I'm Otele. Oletumbe. Tele. Otombo Kombo. This one I'm Mugu now. This one where I get low sperm count. In Poland they function. As you talk to get me, I even shock. What did this one use get do? This one I'm weakling. All the boy you're doing mele. I don't try this one tire. Nothing come up.
Are you gays?
No.
Are you gays? Like, are you gays?
No, come for it.
Are you gays?
No, I want them to be gay. If you see my forehead, you go, no, I don't be gay now. Me, one like woman. My prince, forget how they do get my day fire. Huh? See my face now. My prince, I dey fire. Girl, they do like that. Me, I dey whine. See, my prince, if I see girl, if I take calm. My prince, if I... Silas!
Sorry, my prince. I ask you again. The girl that left your room last night, who was she?
Sir?
Swear and die right now.
Sir?
I said swear.
Babe. What's going on here?
This boy is messing with the maidens. Yeah, he's messing up with the maidens. Oh, babe, just calm down, all right? I'll handle him. Now listen, both of you should leave my room.
Come on, babe. You shouldn't say what you don't know.
I said leave my room. Leave my room, leave! want you to leave my room!
Honey, I thought we talked about this just smoking and you promised to stop.
Come on, babe, I'm still gonna stop. Alright, smoke off.
Please stop it!
Smoke off, babe. Come on.
Stop it!
Huh? What's wrong with you? I gotta smoke up.
Honestly, I don't like this habit of yours. I don't.
We're cool. You should know we're cool. Listen, you see that boy? That boy is busy licking the maidens in his palace. He's licking them all. Don't mess him up. Don't do that. Come on. Who are they? Those urchins? Oh, babe. No. I'm my father's palace.
You're still smoking.
I gotta smoke up, babe. Smoke up.
Amara, I'm sorry.
That reminds me. Princess Mildred said I should tell you not to forget what she told you in the morning. Excuse me.
I know how you feel. I completely apologize. And sometimes I wish I can pay you back for everything. But I'm really sorry. I think I'm in love with the princess.
I wish you the best.
Come in, the door is open.
My prince. His Majesty wants to see you.
Wow. What a beauty we have here. Your voice so sexy.
My prince, His Majesty wants to see you.
Come. I want you to come. Come closer. You know, you've seen your prince on his towel. Like you've seen your prince's nakedness. You know, right?
No, I swear to God, my face was here. I was just looking at this place. I did not see you in the name of Jesus. I did not see you.
Where's my girlfriend?
She's outside with Her Majesty.
Perfect timing. That's a good one. I want us to have a quickie. Quickie.
Quickie?
Yeah, like, I want us to have a quickie.
In Jesus' name, I have never done this before. In the name of Jesus, I cannot do this. I cannot do this. I have never done this. Me, good girl, me, no way. Jesus, help me. Oh, help me.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, my prince.
Listen. Listen. It's not gonna pain you. Alright?
My prince. My prince. My prince, Quickie.
Quickie.
Oh, God. My prince. I have never done this before, my prince.
You're gonna like it.
Oh, really? My prince, oh God. My prince.
This is okay.
I caused the day I allowed myself to be used by the devil in you to tempt me. I caused that very day.
You can choose to define it in whatever terms you want. But I tell you, it's never a crime if you allowed same devil to continue using you. Bring me in as your second wife. Or divorce your wife if she happens to be the obstacle here. Your Highness.
The man you see here is an oracle. By the virtue of the seat he occupies, he cannot be contaminated. Not by anyone, not even you. You must leave my palace now.
Your Majesty, you're calling for a bigger war.
You think that woman is evil?
Exactly, sis. Yes. I mean, I could feel it right here. There's something not so right about her. The other night, I saw her standing in the sitting room in the middle of the night with our father. I don't know. You understand now?
With Dad?
With Dad.
What are you insinuating?
Well, I am not so sure, but when I tell you that her presence speaks evil, then I'm right. She is evil personified. I mean, there is something about her aura. You know, it throws me off balance. It irritates and disgusts me. Listen, that woman is nothing good. Trust me when I say that.
You could be right. Because lately I've been waking up from bed feeling so weak. I actually feel there is something weird going on in this palace. But on a second thought,